Hello, San Diego. It's hard to believe that summer is already fast approaching. I mean, this year is flowing by, right? The market typically starts picking up, of course, as we move into the spring and summer seasons, when most homes are likely sold. Like most years, though, buyer activity is already starting to increase, and it's stronger this year right now than it was at this time last year. This is also good to see because, as you may recall in the previous market update I provided, the inventory of new listings on the market had surged by more than 200%. Over just the past 2 weeks, inventory increased again by another almost 9%. However, as I stated, tempering our expectations about what's going to happen in the months ahead is prudent because we currently have far higher than normal inventory, and there's actually 6,090 homes, including single-family, townhomes, and condos, that are on the market right now throughout Greater San Diego. However, the absorption rate has been really pretty good based on the number of home buyers that are in the market right now. Mortgage rates, though, they're still too high, and they're hurting affordability for so many buyers. What happens in the market in the coming months is going to be directly correlated to the market inventory, basic supply and demand, and what happens with the interest rates going forward. The Feds, of course, would like to lower the rates and have stated they are going to do this later this year during the second half of 2025. Once they curb the inflation by drastically cutting the spending, we're likely going to see a significant rate cut if all goes as planned. The last time rates decreased to approximately 5.75%, the market immediately took off. All the sellers and buyers that were sitting on the sidelines waiting for rates to drop have become active buyers and sellers again. However, if rates don't drop significantly, and I mean by like at least 1%, we're likely going to see prices fall a bit in the third quarter of 2025, just like we saw last year. But for now, let's take a look at what's happening right here in San Diego. Hi, I'm Don Pelletier. I'm owner and broker at the Don Pelletier Group. At the time of this recording, there were 1,610 homes on the market. There were 603 homes in escrow, and 710 homes had sold so far this month. The average list price, $1,584,000. The average sales price, $1,561,000. These homes were on the market for an average of just 27 days. However, just 2 months ago, the average number of days on the market was 36 days. So the shorter market time we're seeing right now, in light of the increase in inventory, is a really good sign. Caution though, lower rates are going to bring a lot more sellers too. If that happens, we could see a positive change in the San Diego market, since this is precisely what so many sellers and buyers have been waiting for, sitting on the sidelines for months on end. So with these significant and impactful shifts in our market, you need an experienced agent to help guide you through your next moves in real estate. With over 4 decades of experience right here in the San Diego market, our knowledge, our expertise, we can help you create a very solid strategy, whether you're, considering selling your home, buying one, or maybe perhaps you're going to do both, to derive the very best outcome for you and your family. Don Pelletier here. You can connect with my team today at 858-336-1114 or email me at donp@pelletierhomes.com. Thank you very much for watching my video. Check out on our website at donpelletier.com. And again, thank you.